Bakit nakakahiya?
Charot lang.
Charot-charot lang. May Christmas na, oh. Christmas na.
Maglalakad tayo.
Ha?
Maglalakad ulit tayo.
Saan? Ay, syempre. Syempre, yun lang yung ano natin. Maglalakad. Ano? Ano, bibili mo?
Huwag na. Hindi ka rin naman kumakain eh.
Uy, mama rin makidatatang. Nakakatawa.
Hello!
It's Christmas. Pasko na, sinta ko. Ano, massage ano yan, Mandarin spa, maganda dyan.
Wala naman ako paki sa tao eh pag dumating sila.
Oo.
Titingnan ko lang. Tapos diretso na siya. Yay! Welcome back! Welcome back, Master!
Flower. Ay, sorry. Yun.
Bago lang yan eh.
Took refuge in a light. Once the world was purified, the very next day, Friday, he created one of the creatures to replace us. No more than humans, Lord of clay. And then, he presented to us his first gift and commanded us to bow our heads. All the angels and surviving beings bowed before his creation. But I refused. Created from ancient fire, refused to bow my head for mortal from clay. It rained.
Okay na. Oo nga, bilis.